everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a LinkedIn profile. Let's get started. Open up your browser. In the search bar, search for linkedin.com, and just like that, simply tap on Join Now for free. Inside here, simply enter your password and your email address, and just like that, tap on Agree and Join. And after that, inside here, simply type in your first name and then your last name. Then tap on Continue. After that, LinkedIn will ask you to do a quick security check. Simply fill up the CAPTCHA and then tap on Verify. After verified, LinkedIn will ask for additional information like your location and your profession. Fill out these details and proceed. After that, check your email inbox for verification code from LinkedIn. Enter the code on the website to complete email verification. And also, LinkedIn will ask you a simple basic questions about your career and your education. Fill this and then click on Next. Once everything is completed, your LinkedIn profile is set up and you can begin networking and adding connections. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.